Thursday. Let's see. Song for the day. Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you. It's Thursday. It's Theme Thursday. Do you know the movie that's from? Somebody answer that below. I would send you a prize. Anyway, and don't Google it. No cheating. So welcome to Bella's Bargains. I'm Amy. If this is your first time here, oh my gosh, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, you know what's going to happen. So today is Themed Thursdays. I do everything Dollar Tree this, Dollar Tree that. Everything Dollar Tree. If I do a craft, all my supplies come from the Dollar Tree. So today is Themed Thursday, which means there's a theme to the crafts today. So the theme today is breakable. They're all breakable things. They're glass. They're all made with glass items and they're breakable. Okay, let's go over really quickly what I do on Tuesdays. I do Totally Easy Tuesdays. I will link down below my last Tuesday video for you. And Totally Easy Tuesdays are crafts that even the non-crafter can do. They're so simple. On Thursdays, I do themed crafts, or upscales or DIYs. I mean, I do all that. And there's a theme to it. So today it's Valentine's decor, and they're glass, made with glass, so they're breakable. And then on Fridays, I do Foodie Fridays, and on Fridays, we eat, drink, taste, compare Dollar Tree food items. And on Saturdays, it's my shopping Saturdays, so it's my Dollar Tree haul. That's what I do. Maybe I should get a life. You know what I say, though? $1, people, $1. Look at all my lipstick on that coffee cup. Hey, at least I have lipstick on. Just saying. All right, so today, 3 projects for you. I really like them. This one is like so simple. It's a vase, all sort of blinged out with a candle inside of it. And I just twist it and it comes on. Let's do that again. Yeah, there we go. I really like this. It's very simple. It's very elegant. It would make a great centerpiece for a party or something. So it doesn't say Valentine's. Go off now. There we go. It doesn't say Valentine's, but it says Valentine's, right? I mean, it's all romantic-ish. All right. And then, oh wait, hold on. I really need something cold to drink. Not really. It's faux. But how cute is this? These are my little fake Valentine's milkshakes. Okay, I love these. And I haven't made my tier tray yet. I'm gonna make my tier tray soon. But if I had my tier tray, these would be on my tier tray for my Valentine's decorations. Or like just right by my coffee maker. Like how cute. Anywhere. These are just so cute. And I gotta tell you guys, really simple. Very simple. And I just love them. And then finally, my favorite thing that I made this week are these little potion bottles. Now, they sold these at the Dollar Tree, obviously, in 4 different colors. I've completely enhanced them. You'll see on the video. So this is actually really easy, but there was a lot of stuff involved, and so it didn't go on my Totally Easy because I literally outlined the bottles with a glass marker, then I Mod Podged glitter onto them. I hope you guys can see that, like, they're now really glittery, whereas before they were, they had a slight tint to them. So this one was pink, this one had a slight lavender, this one sort of had a slight blue, and this one was just almost just a clear. All right, so I made fairy dust and mermaid scales, because it looks like a mermaid color, and unicorn dust, and of course, love potion. So I think these are just super adorable. And yeah, I really like these. Like really, 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 really like these. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Listen, if you see anything at all that you like, give me one of these, right? If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, give that little bell, because then you'll get notified when I upload. And I upload 4 times a week, as I've already said. So you guys, happy Thursday to you. I hope you really enjoy my crafts. Have a great day, great week, great life. Can't wait to see you come back and visit me again. And please make a comment, even if it's a bad one. I mean, I'll just delete it. Just saying. Enjoy the video, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. This is a super easy, but gonna be a beautiful project. This is a vase I got at the Dollar Tree. It's a fairly large vase. It is about 9 inches tall, and the width is approximately 4¼ inches. So it's just it's a good size vase. And all I'm gonna do is embellish it with some of their diamond wrap and some faux roses, and just to make a pretty like centerpiece, I guess, that isn't necessarily Valentine's, but looks very Valentine's because of the colors and the roses and stuff like that. All right, let's go. This is a Valentine faux milkshake project, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what to call it. I have these candles, white candles, that are in what look like glasses. They look like a glass full of milk. And so I want to turn them into like a milkshake. So I have those two. I have some cute straws, some spackling, and a sandwich bag, because what I'm going to try and do is put spackling in here and make like faux whipped cream. And then I have some embellishments, and I'm not sure if I'll use all of these, some of these, none of these. I'm not quite sure till I get going on it. These are just some felt stickers, some regular stickers, these sparkly stickers, these foam stickers, and these were tags from the red hearts, the red heart forms. They were inside there and I didn't use them, and so I thought it might be cute to put one on each one of the glasses. So anyway, let's get going. So this is a project using these bottles that I got. There is a clear, sort of a minty green, a pink, and a purple. And I'm going to be using some glitter, some of the stretch lace, the glass markers, so glass paint brush markers in the red, the blue, the purple, and the pink, and possibly some of the stickers or the rub-on transfers. I'm not 100% sure yet. So, and the other thing I might be using are some of the chalkboard tags. I didn't get them out. Some of the chalkboard tags. So, I'm not 100% sure at this moment. All right, so let's get started. What I'm gonna first do is take my glass marker And I'm literally just going through the lines on the bottle because they sort of have a ridged effect on them. And this just gives them a little more depth and brightens them up a little bit. And I think will help differentiate the pink and the sort of red, purple one. This one. The purple one. So, and that's going to take a little bit. So I'm just going to come back when I have them all done. And by the way, this dries and it stays on. So, but I'm probably going to be using some Mod Podge on these too. And I forgot to bring that out. All right, but first I'm just going to go through and outline all of the bottles in the appropriate colors. Now I'm doing 4 of them, but if you wanted to do this project, you could just do 1. They have these bottles out with their Valentine's Day stuff in the store that I got them in. Now, that's not to say that all stores would have that. They might have them in like their glass section, you know, like their vase section or something. So anyway, all right, I'm going to get to this and get those. All the bottles now have been outlined with the pattern has been outlined with the glass markers. But my red one didn't work, and I was going to do red on the clear bottle. So instead, I ended up using, where'd it go? I ended up using my metallic marker, and they say it can be used on glass. It seems to be drying okay. So that one gave it sort of a metallic, color. In the end, I think I like it because these colors all sort of go together, and the red might have stood out pretty hard. All right, now I'm going to put some glitter on them, and I'm just going to do that with some I'm going to take some Mod Podge with put some glitter in it, and then paint it over these just to give it a dusting. So I'm just going to take Mod Podge. This is the gloss, and I'm going to get some in here. And then for the purple one, I'm going to take some purple sparkles, just like that. And take my brush, and I'm just going to brush over the glass with the Mod Podge and the sparkles. So this will just give the bottle a little sparkles. And I'm going to do that to all of them. So I have the pink, which I will be using the pink glitter on. The blue, I will be using the blue. And then I have red, which was what I was going to use on the red. Instead, I'm going to use a silver. So I'm going to go ahead and do all those. And actually, I don't know if I'll use a silver. Actually, this color is very close. That's like a purple, so I think I'll use... It's not the same purple. It is the same purple, so never mind. I'm going to use silver on that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all glittered up and let them dry. Or while they're drying, I suppose we'll do the signage on them. Okay, so the heart tags were too large, and so I have these that are round, but that's a little too big still. And I really wanted to have a heart shape on the tag, so I'm just putting that part of the heart like over the hole. I'm just gonna trace, and then I'm gonna cut these out and make 4 of them for the bottles. And then I'm going to embellish them. Sorry. Sorry. Going to embellish them with some different things and write some different things on them. And then attach them to the bottles with this stretchy lace. Okay, so I've got them all done. And in the end, I love how the bottles came out. And I took the stretch lace that I'd said. I used my metallic markers to write on the labels and some of the different diamond wraps to adorn the tops of the bottles. So this one is Unicorn Dust, Love Potion, Mermaid Scales, and Fairy Dust. So I think these came out so cool. Very happy with those.